it's a natural thing. If you're a Caribbean, if you're a Jamaican, once you travel, you know you have to bring home stuff for your family. So that's a part of it. It's hard to stick to the budget. The basket is not giving sticking to the budget. Oh, black Jamaican castor oil with rosemary. I sent him color. I bought it like a Hermes back when I was in Japan, and I don't know what it is. These are the type of things that triggers me, right? In Jamaica, you can never find it for $15. One V is so nice from Vietnam. Look. Hey, hello. I'm back home after spending way too much money at Ross. But they're not uncomfortable. These are cute. Okay, so Ross, like, aren't these the cutest? They're so cute. Alright, so we're doing a challenge where we get like $20 to $30, 1 hour in each store to spend. You see my foot I give big and my foot now give big. Hello. Hope this week vlog is really good and you enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe. I start right now, but I'm gonna flip to when I went to Ross and show you those videos. And then after I might show you what I buy, maybe, or at the end of the week I'll show you all the stuff I bought. Okay, so Ross is the first one on the list. Alright, so we're doing a challenge where we get like $20 to $30, 1 hour in each store to spend, but I'm in Ross and that kind of seems a bit low right now to spend. So the challenge is to see what I can get for myself, for my nephew, and maybe my family. Maybe. Let's see. So I saw these are cute. Like a size area. I don't know how much making a video. I think these are cute. They're not big. They're going for $30. They're what? Reebok, $30. $32. Like, aren't these the cutest? They're so cute. But they have no price and I'm gonna check the price. And I think that these sandals are really cute, but I don't have it in my size. We're gonna sell that. That's not that pricey. It's cute. Sweets going on. I don't know what I can bring home. Alright, let me go. So I've seen a few stuff that I like, but I cannot any shoes so far in my size. You see my foot I give big and my foot now give big. But I'm still looking if there's anything in here. Let's see the price of the price again. Ooh, it's $10. $10 for them. It's another one. Oh my god, it feels so comfortable. Oh my god. I want it. So I found these, tried them on, but they're way too big for me. So I need like a 10. So 10 is down. 10.5 is on this side. $30. These look so big. I wonder how much for them. $36. Call that 30. So good. A little too much for me. cute. These are cute. I don't know how much of a rest price. These are cute. Let me see. Let's see. These are high. Let's start there. Oh my god, these are high. But it fit. What's up, I gotta put mine to God. I'm high. They're not. But they're high. These are really cute. They're going to rub the back of my foot, but these are really cute. Kind of like them, yeah. Like these. $15. Not bad. Made in China. These. Let's see how much them cost. Are they $6 for the pack? These $50 for these Dr. Cute. $50 though. These make my foot look so. These make my foot look so long. Bro, what? But they're actually comfortable. But I'm not gonna look too long, man. No, sir. Alright, so we're in the hair section and I found this and I think it's really, it's argan oil at Morocco. So hydrate and repair. I think this is gonna be good. And it's for $5. I think I might buy it. This one is hair growth for thick curls. $7. Miami South Beach hair growth natural oil. Infuse it biotin. It's full. How much far to reach? But me, I wonder if you use already. It seemed like you used already. Oh no, I didn't use yet. But I feel like it down here, so I don't like that. Anti-frizzing hair serum with keratin. I think I'm gonna take this. Yeah. I like argan oil. Ooh, black Jamaican castor oil with rosemary. Deep moisturize. $7. They keep on giving us $7. I probably buy it. No. Is it leave-in or do you have to wash it out? Is it distribute? Apply small amount onto desired areas and distribute evenly. But do you leave it in or do you wash it out? I don't know. I do not know. So I'll probably buy these two. This is $5. This is $7. I'll probably leave this one. I'm not really sure. I wanted something for my braids. This is $7. And it's for your braids, like to rub in with your braids. Beeswax. Honey, coconut oil and argan oil to help keep natural and protective style like braids and locks. Probably buy it for my braid. Come in. I do a lot of braids, so I probably buy that. These are the reasons why this 1 hour challenge cannot work for me, because why am I standing up in here so long? Hair and scalp oil, 100% pure castor oil with eucalyptus and citrus essential oils for $6. Slightly open needle nose cap section here and apply a small amount of scalp. Massage them with fingertips or a soft brush style as usual. So you leave this in. I'm gonna put these in my cart and then decide. Alright, so I found body scrub, sweet orange and grapefruit exfoliating body scrub. I probably said that one here. How much for you? $7. Probably take it. Then I have another one. vitamin E smooth, peppermint freshening, sea salt exfoliate. Alright, mandarin and grapefruit sugar scrub. Love that. $6. I'll probably take these two. Miami. Why does it be so cold? Listen, shopping and pulling a basket is difficult. Mighty Lord. Like, I'm trying to stick to the budget, but why does it like, girl? It's hard to stick to the budget. The basket is not giving sticking to the budget. Listen. I'm going over the budget for sure. Oh, these are so cute. These are so cute. But I know that they're too big for him. Fox. Toddlers. But these are getting big. Oh, these are so cute. But I give big theme. This is a bit too big for him. For sure. Toddler 10. Toddler 10. Toddler 10. Me leave the piece of paper with him shoe size on it. Oh, these are cute. These are real cute. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love these. Alright guys, look at these. I don't know if the makeup fits him. But these are so cute. US is 7. I wonder what size touched by him. These are so adorable. I'm an Adidas girly, but these are cute for him. I'm not sure what size his mom bought for him. I'm gonna probably call his mom. But these are real cute. These are nice. I love these. Period. I'm sorry, I thought I was recording all along, but this missing a 3. It's supposed to be 5, but a 3 and 9. Not buying that. No, that's probably get this. I don't know what else to get. Cool. Oh, soccer ball. 25. Oh, $10. Come here, Bogus. What? $25. Okay, you have $10. $10. Beach. Have a bigger ball. Cash. Oh, it's a cash register. Cash register. Cocomelon on the car. So in the mirror section, these are pretty cute. I think this is real sexy. Time for me to go through the baskets and take out the stuff them. What we can removal. Wow, $4 for the lint removal. I do need lint removal though. But I do believe I have one at home. Let's just leave that lint remover right there. $4. Come on. I need no panties. Well, let's see how much a panty. $14. Call it $15 for 3. Jesus. $16. So we call it $17. Let me stop. Let me see what size this? 5 thong. But what size? Let me see what's there. Maybe I need like a medium. Let me stretch it out, but maybe I need a medium. Oh, large. See now a medium? Let me see if a medium this now. Large. Oh no. Small. But these are so cute though. They're very cute. I'm not going to lie, I'm cute. But I think medium will fit me. I have more. So I found some in medium and it's the boring colors in medium. The other colors are in large. I can probably take a medium though. Probably. So I'll just say I'm Calvin Klein. I don't have more. These nice. These all. So I've been trying to decide on panties, but these are made from like polyester and spandex, while the Tommy Hilfiger is made from cotton. So we love that. Wow. I love these as well, but I'm not supposed to stay. Like I said, one pack. But the fact that the Tommy Hilfiger is like $17. And Steve Madden is but this is the price not too long enough. Steve Madden price is the McGuffin. Wow. $13 for the Steve Madden. And for the two bra, $14. You see, these are the type of things that triggers me, right? In Jamaica, you can never find it for $15. One V is so nice from Vietnam. Look on that. Never. And them are the type of things that trigger me because look for nice things. And Jamaica, we don't want to charge you one arm and a leg for any one of these stuff. And I never seem to understand that. $8 for that nice something here. That wicker one here, I'm like it. Don't fall, please. Alright, I'm going to clear out the basket now and decide what am I going to take with me from what I'm not going to take with me. Because one thing for sure is, how much it is? Nasty price. This is cute. Nasty price. Nasty the reduced price. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Look at this. This is cute. This is cute. How much cute? $8. This is so nice.
You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours.
Hi, hello. I'm back home after spending way too much money at Ross. But hello, welcome to my channel. In this week's vlog, today's Tuesday. We're starting a vlog a bit late, but today's Tuesday and we're going to be doing it's my last week here. Oh, it's sad, so sad. but it's my last week and I have to get some stuff for my family back home because, you know, it's a natural thing. If you're a Caribbean, if you're a Jamaican, once you travel, you know you have to bring home stuff for your family. So that's a part of it. So I've been getting some stuff for my family. Today I went to Ross, shop for less, dress for less. But the challenge that I'm giving myself that I failed miserably at today is wait, I'm jumping on all of this. Welcome to my channel. Hello. And I'm wearing gloves because I'm about to cook. But welcome to my channel. I hope you love it here. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am the traveler. La! And I am traveling. And I'm traveling currently. But I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. It's going to be a bit short. But the challenge that I'm doing for this week is in getting stuff for my family. I'm going to challenge myself. Whatever store I go into, I'm only going to spend between $20 and $30. I failed today at that, but tomorrow we'll try again. So I want to get some stuff, a few stuff for myself, a lot of stuff, as much stuff as I can for my nephew, of course, and maybe a few stuff for my brothers and my brother's girlfriend. I saw this kit type perfume thingy at Sephora, so I know I might go to Sephora to get something for Sean, for my brother. And for my other brother, he wants some drone stuff and he's going to send those to me. Personally, I'm not sure what I'm going to buy for him, if I'm going to buy anything for him. And for my brother's girlfriend, I might go back to Bath and Body Works. Body and Bath, what is it? Bath and Body Works, not sure, but I might go back there for something for her. For my nephew, I got some stuff for him because his birthday is coming up next week. His birthday is next week, so I got some stuff for him. And I will show you probably tomorrow. I'll show you what I bought today at Ross. But I think for one of my brothers, I will go to Sephora. I saw this like small kit perfume thingy, and he was saying that he wanted some cologne. The last time I sent him cologne, I bought it like a Hermes back when I was in Japan, and I don't know what he did with it. But he was saying something about him using a perfume that I bought for his girlfriend, so I probably buy him a cologne. And for my older brother, like, he wanted some drone stuff, and for me to transport them, I'm going to need an extra suitcase, so that's my gift to him, the transportation. He'll buy the drone stuff. And from, as I said, for my brother's girlfriend, I'll probably just go back to Bath and Body Works because they're having a sale. Hopefully I catch the sale and I get like 2 perfumes for her. But yeah, outside of that, so I'm going to challenge myself for $20 to $30 only when I enter the stores. And the stores, so I went to Ross today. I probably go back to Ross because I have some good stuff going on. I probably go back just to get one more shoes for my nephew. Burlington is not bad. It's my first time going into Burlington today, and I saw some stuff. I probably can go back there and see what they have selling. I know TJ Maxx was on my list because I wanted some body scrub, but I got some body scrub today, so I might not go to TJ Maxx. Wanted to go to Target, maybe. So Target is on the list. The thrift shop is on the list because I need a suitcase. Where is it on the list? Walmart is on the list. Where is it on the list? Bye. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please like and share and subscribe whenever you see this video, because you're probably not going to see it this month nor next month, but whenever you see this video. It's June for me. It's June 25th, I think. I hope you had a great June. See you later in the video.